all of these AI tools out there that are trying to match job description, they don't work. The whole when you push a button, so there's a huge fallacy in our industry, especially with people who don't know our industry and they come in from other places like super smart data scientists and stuff like that. They think that if you have a rec, you can match it to a resume, but they don't understand that most of the time job postings, first of all, aren't really job descriptions. They're marketing documents. And even if they were a job description and you use a job description, these are usually written well in advance and they were written for somebody else. So if you just try to match a job posting or a rec to a resume, there's too many differences. First of all, you have the fact that it may not even really be exactly what the hiring manager really wants. And then there's the fact of the matter that candidates speak a very different language when they discuss what they do than hiring managers speak when they discuss what they want. I help companies hire people. I help companies find talent. So it's a different language, and it's not a semantic thing. So all of these AI tools out there that are trying to match job description, they don't work. Even if they're trying to match a resume, they don't work. You have to have this knowledge from the rubric, from the intake, from the experience, from samples of resumes, from training the module, from trial and error. There are patterns that humans see that computers don't see, and these are logical leaps. These are leaps in logic that are gaps in machine learning.
And then it's the difference between the science of recruiting and the art of recruiting, which...
It's the jagged edges, right? Is it a puzzle where all the pieces are exactly square? Or is it a puzzle where all the pieces are jagged and have different, like, imagine if every piece had a different shape.
But it's that mixed with, some, to your point, the data, the AI, the automation, but you got to have people that can interpret it, right? But also start it on the right direction. To your point, just relying on the job description, which is such a great point. That's been the downfall, I think, of a lot of these tech tools. They're starting with the wrong premise of what is needed to get the result.